Well, I may have to retract my previous statement about the Craftsman grinder. I thought she was right, fucked. But I put this little case back on her, and wouldn't you fucking know it? She makes a good little end grinder. Oh, she's right fucked. I don't want anything to do with it. So I figured, what would be a good, comparable name brand replacement for a 6 amp thingamajig Craftsman? And I decided that the most comparable thing to that would be this new Makita. Big asshole right here. Large and in charge. Cost me cost me 107 American dollars. 170 American dollars. And we'll take a look at her here on our specs. 13 amp. 4.5 inch grinder, yeah. I wanted to get the 6, but the 6 was like $20 more. And they're the exact same grinder, except they have a different guard on them. And Makita's weird, because Makita always sends red wheels with their shit, which usually mean masonry, but if you look right there, it clearly is says metal. But I've run her. I didn't realize that it was variable speed. Goes all the way from 1 to 5. And I'll show you those here. So what do we got her on right now? We'll put her on 1. And we'll run her. Fuck me. Need a third hand. It also helped to have the fucker plugged in. I mean, fuck. There's 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. It's definitely got some meat to it. Definitely got some power. But, you know, it's made out of the good stuff. PA6 glass fiber 30%. So it's, it's quality. But, you know, a 13 amp grinder like this literally more than doubles the smaller Makita with the exact same side switch. So it's literally just a big brother. But this thing will come in handy on certain jobs, but other jobs, you know, I'm going to prefer the little 6 amp. But I'll be sure to do a little bit more of a more in-depth review later on with this thing. But these are just my first impressions, and showing you guys that my little end grinder here is fixed magically somehow. Just fixed. Just what the fuck? Did I break it again? No. Yeah, it's fixed. Watch it. We're gonna do some die grinding on this piece right here. Mmm. God, she smells disgusting.